I'm Shannon Comstock at Remax, and I would love the opportunity to earn your business. So if you're looking to sell, or if you know someone's looking to buy, please reach out. Here are some of the questions sellers should be asking their agents. Number 1, what potential buyers would you target for my property and why? And how specifically will you market them? Well, let me go ahead and tell you how I would do it if I was hired as your agent. I would specifically research the counties out of state with the highest amount of people moving to your city, and then geographically target them as well as our local area. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I'll use social media and ad campaigns to geographically target both local and out of state areas. Okay, next question. What about communication during the marketing stage? Well, typically, this is when agents tend to drop off and go silent and they don't bother to keep you informed. A good listing agent will give you their marketing plan before they are even hired, and you should get updates at least weekly. If I'm your agent, I'll give you a detailed analysis of the results of your ads weekly, and I'll let you know if there are any market changes such as interest rate changes or what the absorption rate is and any sales trends that might affect the saleability of your home. I'll also share any feedback from buyers after they look at your house. That's always important, and I'll keep track and analyze all of these results in case it means we need to make any changes to the price of your home.